Alright guys, I got this Mega Mewtwo X collection box for you guys. We're going to open it up and see what we can get. Alright. Jesus, can't even get it open. Alright. Whoa! Shit, crash. Alright. Oh. Won't give me the card. There we go. There's the Mewtwo card. Alright, now everything fell out here. Oh, we got a breakthrough pack. Roaring Skies. We're gonna get here's the little figure. Alright, we're gonna put it up here on my shelf. Here's the Mewtwo card promo. And then there's a Ancient Origins pack and another Breakthrough pack. So we'll go with Ancient Origins first. Oh, shoot. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Ace Trainer. Metadig. Oops, sorry. Parisian. Relicanth. Porygon. Glork. Inkay. Level Ball. Reverse Hollow. Oh, yes! Sorry about that, guys. One of my favorite Pokemon. Gyarados. This is a full art hollow. Oh man, I really like that card. That is a cool card. That is awesome. I love the art on it also. Alright. So that was the Origins pack with the Gyarados. And now we'll do the Roaring Skies. Well, we'll just give that away now, I guess. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Electrodude. Billscore, Sumpit, Natu, Sparrow, Meowth, Gilgar, Zingtu, and a Swellow? I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how to say these damn names. Alright. And now on to the Mewtwo pack. Breakthrough. Wouldn't that be something if there was a Mewtwo EX in there? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Well, Miami, Pencer, Cubone, Nubat, Pikachu, Magnemite, Snowball, Bronzer, Reverse Hollow, And, that's... I don't know, what do they call these cards? The half hollow picture. That's cool. Alright, one, two, three. Manlash, Assault Vest, Pilswine, Pansage, Ralts, Scatterbug, Teddisaura, Goldeen, and a Fergus. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. We didn't get very many cool cards, but that's just the name of the game, I guess. The only good one was the Gyarados. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.